So, the first thing I want to do is review your notes from Tuesday, because you're going to need it on the first worksheet. So, the first worksheet is going to have you naming angles, but without a protractor, meaning you have to look at them and know their names. So, again, on Tuesday, so these are your notes from Tuesday. Jaden, we're going to put that away. Acute, Brandon, are small little angles. They're so cute. They're so small.
Right is straight up and straight.
Right is like the corner. Obtuse is wide, right? They're open wide like a hippopotamus or a seagull. Okay? Remember those 3 vocabulary words, Orlando? We're not on our iPads. And we're not on our iPads. Straight angle is 180. It's 100% straight. Now I'm going to add one more vocabulary word that you're going to write down in your notes.
There's one.
Yeah. I mean, this is the last thing I wrote, right? So we're just going to add it. This is not like...
Does it go down?
Okay. The last one is called reflex angle. Okay. So we already have an angle for less than 90. We have an angle for 90, a name. We have a name for an angle that's more than 90. We have a name for an angle that's exactly a straight line. What do you think reflex is?
Oh, I know. I don't know, but I got it.
Guess.
It goes like on the. It goes down, not up. Like it goes like.
I'm looking for numbers. You have a name for less than 90.
Negative?
No.
360.
That would be a circle.
Okay.
So we have a name for less than 90.
250.
For 90.
240.
For more than 90. For 180. Reflex is...
The opposite of 90.
Why'd you get 250?
10.
Is it the opposite of 90?
106.
Okay, that is all. 100, 106 would be all obtuse. It's
Under
more than
80.
90.
I mean, under 90.
Acute?
36?
Wait, is it
360 is a circle.
Above
Okay,
360.
measures
above?
more than...
360. 180.
Basically said it right.
180.
360.
I was halfway there.
No.
Wait, so if it's under 180, then it's obtuse?
So there's not an actual number?
No, it's more than 180.
Wait, miss.
So,
360 is more than 180.
but it's not 360. So the limit is 360. So it would be 359. Right?
What?
So it's like, okay, my goal is to be on the skateboard and hit a 360, right? So that means if I start here, I end here, right? A full revolution, right? That's a 360. A reflex angle would be like, okay, I'm starting, I'm on my skateboard, super cool. Oh my gosh, I'm flying in the air. Oh my gosh, I'm turning, look at me turn, 180. Oh my god, I still have momentum. I'm turning, I'm still turning, and I stop. Did I make it all the way? No.
180.
But did I go past the 180?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's called reflex. I start here, I'm going to try to end again here. I hit the 90. I hit the 180. And I'm turning, and then I fall and break my hand.
So below 180, it's a Q?
220
I mean,
is already.
Huh?
220.
Exactly. 220. Is that a trick? Or did you just make that up? All right. Now, it's really weird. Maybe what you were saying. This is the angle, and an example, not the only angle. That's reflex. Miss O'Malley, isn't that just obtuse? No, because look at where the circle goes. So, I know, it's kind of weird. It's like the circle goes outside at the bottom. The angle would start here and go this way. Again, so I'm facing this way. I rotate, 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 and then it's like, boom, I didn't go all the way. I'm not facing Sophia anymore. I didn't make that full rotation of 360.
So the circle's looking at South again?
The circle tells you which angle you're looking at, right? So I hopefully, in my other notes, I did not. Like this tells you like what part of the angle are we looking at. Those semicircles that I did not write down. Okay, you're going to use these notes for the first worksheet. Your first worksheet looks like this, okay? This is the easiest worksheet. I'm going to give you a very long time.
How much class?
we gonna turn it in on canvas?
Are you putting all of this in the canvas?
Oh, this is so cool, miss.
This is actually insane.
Miss, we're going back to elementary.
Wait, miss, you're gonna.
All right. So,
Are we gonna tell the time or tell the English?
Here, I got you.
all right. Thanks, everybody.
Miss Lomeli, have a cup. Miss Lomeli, you have an extra.
Okay, leave it there and I'll come back around. Okay.
Oh.
So, now you do not have a protractor. I didn't give you one of these so you can measure it. Because what you have to do as 7th graders is just by looking, Desiree, by looking at your paper, you have to tell me if it's acute, right, obtuse, straight, or reflex. So looking at number 1, the opening, the circle. Is it small opening cute or is it big opening?
Wait, why is
It's big opening, so therefore it is obtuse because it's more than 90.
You just write the name.
You just write the name.
But how do we know it's not an 80?
Miss, what about number B?
180? 180 is a straight line
Miss, how do you
I mean,
not know?
more
Is the
than
second
one.
one acute?
because it would have the circle outside.
No, it's a straight one. It's acute.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this.
Miss, what for number B?
Hold on.
It's acute.
Okay, number 2. Super small, super cute.
Acute.
Number 3.
Straight.
Okay,
No,
no.
right.
Okay, a straight is literally a straight line.
It's a right. Big.
That's right.
It's a little square. It's determined.
Okay, you see that little square, Dylan? This is a universal. I can go to any country and talk to any 7th grader in any country, and I can communicate with them. But if I show them this, they're all going to say 90 degrees right, like my shirt. Okay? Now,
Alright.
it's right.
Miss, does it go up to
Okay.
acute, right?
We're good with 1, 2, and 3?
Yes.
You write it down? I'm not writing it down. I'm too tired to write this down. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
We were already done.
Okay. B.
Wait, we just read the name for.
This is not obtuse.
No, I was
Oh, well, don't because she's going to get confused.
No, this
Okay. B. Now, I don't show you the picture. Now I give you the number.
Oh.
Okay? So, a 293 degrees.
That's
Reflex, because it's more than 180. That's the one I just taught you. It goes all, you're trying to get a 360, doesn't
It
work.
has to be 180 or more.
Yeah, so 181 and above.
Oh.
That's reflex.
What do we draw?
Straight. So 180 is up to.
No, 180 is
Straight.
straight.
Wait, Miss, on right here, doesn't it, like this one's cut outside? I know.
Right,
but
we'll
it's-
get to it. Take an educated guess.
Is it
There's 2 that are completely wrong.
Yeah, Jaden.
Who's talking to you? Just
Oh,
quiet.
shut up.
Alright, keep going. 115, 115. Yes. Okay. Alright, what do you call 115? What do you call 180?
Straight.
We're on section B.
So Mandy, for the first 3 on C, the bottom 3.
Take an educated guess. There's 2 that are really wrong, even though it's cut off. Alright. And then number 4, 79. Look at your notes. What does 79 land you at? So you write that down. You will have these on the map. They will give you this. You have to identify. Excuse me? Alright. The letter C. The bottom one's cut off. I'm looking for a straight line. There are 2 that you should cross out. Even though it's cut off, you know that those 2 cannot be a straight line.
Just what if I circle them?
A and B, right?
Correct.
A, D, P.
Right? And then D and C. Do you guys see this little dot right there?
Yeah.
Does anyone know what that
Oh, it's,
Yes.
it's like the arrow.
It's like the arrow. Now, if you circled C, am I going to be totally like upset?
Yeah.
No, because I get where you would say it's C. I
So
get it.
it's
But it's C.
It's up to.
Okay, wait, go back to number 2 on letter C. What answer is reflex?
C.
C.
Wait, what? Oh, wait.
Because the circle is outside. Reflex, Jackie, is a circle outside. Do you have answers for all of the front side by now?
Miss Lomeli, you have a question?
Yes.
What's number 3 called? Like at the top?
big arm like the.
No, it's moving. It's replay.
We're not telling time.
Oh, yeah, I see
Or not.
That's the weird one that has the circle outside of it.
I think it's
See how the
called,
circle's
like,
outside?
something like that.
Miss, is
No,
this
it's replay.
429?
Like straight, it's just like just straight line.
I swear.
Yes.
So for
I don't wait. I might be wrong.
So for C, it's ACD. Wait, I'm kind of confused on the.
Is that a straight line?
No, like the first one is A, and then the second one is
A, C,
D.
D. Yeah, sorry. I was like, what? All right. To the back.
I have a question.
Yes.
I'm confused on the name.
On B. Okay, I'll be right there. Let me start the class and I'll come over. Okay. We're not telling time on the back, although some of you would do a really good job. Okay. Identify the type of angle formed by the hands. So I literally have seen this on map test. So this angle that is formed by the two hands right here, is it acute, obtuse, right, or straight? It is acute. So all you have to do is spell it correctly.
Let's do the second one if you do.
Yep. So you're looking at the hands, and what kind of angle do these two make? Acute, obtuse, right. There's no reflex. Let me help her because she asked for help. We're gonna after this we're gonna take more notes. All right.
Are we
We're
doing
preparing
the
to do
testing
the math
in
test
class
for English.
or seminar?
Excuse me. Here.
Why don't they do it in seminar anymore? Seminar today?
I know.
Okay. Today's day.
It's because kids would goof off.
Bro, there was literally this kid using his phone like calculate.
The Charles' room was fucking.
Scores dramatically dropped last year. Dramatically dropped.
How much?
I'll let you know. Remind me after class. I'll look it up to have it for you tomorrow.
I saw a kid using his calculator.
Okay.
Really, like, whipped it out.
All right. So Justin, let's focus on this. Complementary angles. You probably, some of you already did it in Alex.
I don't do Alex.
Jordan.
Like once in a while.
Jordan. Okay, complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Okay, complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees.
So it's like 45 and 45?
Yes, I would be an example. All right, ladies.
How come you have we only talked once and then
I know.
you ended up
You moved in.
You also copied. We're trying to copy homework.
Just.
I didn't copy nobody's homework.
All right. So, complementary angles are two angles that, this is the word that, add up to 90 degrees. Copy that down because I have to turn the page. Ready?
No.
Okay.
Now, 90 degrees. What does that look like?
Like a box.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, I'll leave some space.
They look like the letter L.
And then I'll turn the page. Remember, you're not the only one in class. I got to speed it up for everybody else. Okay, so we're going to draw. So skip a line, draw this, then I'll go back and turn the page. Okay, so this is 90 degrees, right? So complementary angles, what that means is that this one angle that's 90 degrees is split into two. It's cut. Now, not necessarily in half exactly, right, and give 45. It could be different. So this angle's A, and this angle is B. What this math says is,
They look like obtuses.
good,
I mean acute.
the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B. So when I add these two up, we're writing this out. You got to write when I write. That's how we fall behind. So you write it when I do. The measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B has to equal 90 degrees. Good. So remember, Alex is a way to introduce you to things, and then I teach it to you, and it should be easier
Miss,
because you already saw it.
does it tell you like how much each one is?
That's what you're going to somewhat do. So yes, Jaden, you were right. You said something about the angles. These two angles will then be acute because they're small. Okay? All right. So here, let's do a problem. So if I draw 90 degrees, right? Here's the universal symbol for 90 degrees. Even though if I don't do a straight line, Orlando, we're writing this down.
I'm so sorry. I thought it was important. I'll do that.
All right. And I say that this angle, I don't know. It's an X. I don't know it. And this angle is 36 degrees. And the question on the test is, what is X?
36 plus 12.
You ready for the questions? What?
No, 20.
Okay.
Oh wait. Alright, wrong thing.
All right. So I don't give you a protractor. Again, you can't use one of these.
It's 36
Right?
plus 12
So,
equals 90.
what we do is we use this equation. Okay? Do I know A?
Yes.
I do not. What is it?
No, it's X.
It's X.
Oh, no.
Plus. What is B?
36.
36
Justin, please do not distract him.
equals 90.
I've already moved you once, so another move would be a call home.
I was looking at the screen.
Well then, okay, that gentleman behind you cannot handle that. So unfortunately, Justin, I trust you to be the bigger responsible student and use a different screen. Because the person over there cannot handle it. I will call that person's parents again. How do I move the 36?
Subtract.
Very good. Because it says plus 36, what are you going to do?
Subtract 36.
You literally get to do this in 7th grade, Bella, and you also get to do it in high school. And I remind you, you have to pass, I just heard, 3 years of math in high school to get a high school diploma
Bro, that's scamming.
with a passing grade.
Wait, so you can be in high school even if you're like in your 20s?
Well, they move you on to a different school, but yes.
Oh.
Really?
So like it's called like a super senior.
Oh, yeah. So
Super senior.
Okay.
Mr. Melly, could you fly?
Yes. Okay. 10 minus 6. What is 10 minus 6?
4.
8 minus 3.
5. 54.
So what is x equal to?
54.
4. You started doing these equations, I think in 6th grade. We use them now in 7th grade with geometry.
Oh wow.
So the answer is 54.
Oh, my God.
Ruben, we continue on.
Oh my.
What if the x is on the bottom? Does it really matter?
No.
Nope. Do it on top.
So we always do it with 90, right?
Yes, because it's called complementary, it has to equal 90, and then the picture itself looks like 90. So we set it up. We can write the 27 first. It doesn't matter. The 27 can come first. The x can come second, or the x can come first. Doesn't really matter. What math do I do?
Subtract by 27.
X equals 60.
Okay? 10.
It's the 90 though.
How do I get the 90?
Because it's a right.
Oh no, I see.
And Dylan, if I ever use the word complementary, immediately think 90. If I don't give you a picture, but I tell you the word complementary, 90. If I give you a picture, it looks like 90 degrees, like my shirt, so you use 90.
Angles be different though?
I use the shirt. I was supposed to wear the shirt when I first taught you acute right up twos, but I kind of forgot. That's when, I don't know if it was this class, I'm like, oh, I'm so mad I forgot to
Oh
wear
yeah,
it.
you told me. Yeah, you told me.
I'm always wearing
Isn't it the perfect shirt for me? I mean, it's so true.
Are you sure?
My mom says no,
All right.
It looks like an upside down.
Oh, sorry. What was our answer for this one?
63.
Thank you. It's basic subtraction. 2nd grade subtraction. Okay, now we're going to do level 2.
So,
Level 2.
are we gonna add one more line?
No, it's always just 2. It's just always 2. So level 2. What makes this level 2?
It has 5x. It has like a number with the
It's the same thing though.
Oh, you have to do divided by 5.
Very good. All right, Jenna says Margarita. Finish copying that.
It's an extra step.
It is an extra step. All of us, you wrote what I wrote down, right?
I was right.
We answer without you.
No, you set it up without me. So what equation would you write down first? You're given that information.
Subtraction by 3.
Is it 6?
5x plus
I mean subtraction by 3.
equals 90.
Good. So the equation that you would write down, is basically whatever this says. Whatever this says, write it down.
5x equals 30.
No.
5.
Did you say 27 equals x?
No.
No. What did you write down for
5x
this one?
plus 30 equals
5x
90.
plus 27 plus x.
Yeah, thank you, Ruben. So for this one, you would write this
5x
plus
30 equals
this
Equals 90. Equals 90.
all equals 90. Why? Because it looks like 90 degrees. They don't equal each other. They together adding them gives you 90. Okay? Now we solve a two-step equation. You've done this since November. They're occasionally on your homework, and they will be a lot in high school. You will solve so many equations in high school. So instead of plus 30, what are you going to do?
subtract by 30.
Subtract by 30 and then 60 divided by 5.
Good.
5 by
12.
Good. I love how some of you can like really speed it up. Yes.
What's the equation dy equals 12x, or is that just for...
That's just for proportions, yeah. That's just
So
for
we're not gonna
because technically I love x, but there's no y here. I love x. In this problem I could use the letter W here. I could use the letter S. I can use B. Like I can use any letter. But for the proportions, I have to use x and y. Because of the y, yeah. This is completely different. This is geometry. That was algebra. All right. X equals
No.
Wait.
No.
Oh, yeah.
12.
60
Okay.
divided by 5.
This is level 2. All right. Level 2.1. Oh, level 2.1.
How many levels are there?
100. Level 2.1.
Oh my god.
This is actually harder than the one you just did for some
Wait,
students.
is that plus 7?
Yep.
So is it just 7x because you're just adding it?
Huh?
So is it just 7x because you're just adding it?
It's x plus 7.
7x.
7x. It's
No.
Just, what? Why?
X
Nope.
plus 7.
It's x plus 7 is x plus 7. When's the only time you can put them together?
Oh, whenever it's division. I mean,
Whenever
multiplication.
you, oh yeah.
Multiplication.
So it's going to be x plus 7 plus 25 equals 90.
Ruben, you're standing.
Definitely not using total numbers.
Oh, check it right now.
You can't. You
I
wrote
don't
it.
even have my phone.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So, what Ruben said, you literally just write this plus this all has to equal 90. Why does it have to equal 90?
Because it's the
Because it's a right angle. It's complementary. Okay? Let's focus. Let's write. And work ahead of me. Okay, what do you guys think we should do?
Subtract
Minus
25.
25.
Subtract 25.
Oh, okay.
Because it's
There's a
25.
different way, but I'll go with you. So, you can subtract 25.
Add them first.
Yeah. But that's okay. We'll go with this. What's 90 minus 25?
65? 75?
Show your work. They won't give you a calculator for this one. It's very important that you slow it down, show how you borrow, because they will definitely not give you a calculator for this. Equals, what do I still have on this side?
x plus 7.
59.
58.
Wait, hold on.
So if you have this problem on a test, show how you borrow and show how you're going to use your fingers to subtract. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7.
Wait, how'd you get 15? How'd you get 15?
Because I borrowed.
Oh.
And we get 58.
What if you don't show work?
I would hope you show work on the map because this can easily go wrong if you try to keep these numbers in your head. It's, again, on the mat, it's not trying to be lazy. On those tests, especially on those tests, it's when you want to show a ridiculous amount of work because you don't want to try to do it in your head. Welcome back. Welcome to the AC. All right. Are we okay? Okay.
Wait, miss, are we going to turn in this worksheet?
You already know the answer to that. Okay. Based on time, which is perfectly fine, we are only going to be able to do the front side. And then tomorrow, we'll do the back. But the front side is level 0.000001. You are not allowed to use a calculator, so I don't want you to see you guys using calculators on this.
What is
It's me. It's not them.
Miss, what is this? The back.
The back is what we just did.
Extra credit.
I actually don't have a lot of extra.
If I can use extra credit.
Yeah. Because Jaden, I only have 2 left, and Jaden's not here. Hold on one second.
Here.
I didn't make my total copies. I just made it. I made a different copy for honors. All right. Here, I'll reuse this one. All right, go ahead.
So we're just going to do the front?
All right. Sorry. Yeah, today would be that side. Okay, so what equation did you write for number 1?
X plus 45 equals 90.
Good. And what math do we have to do?
Subtract 45.
Good. I said no iPad, so there's no reason why you should be even touching your iPad because we're not on the iPads. Just the front. The front's level 0.0001. So Bella, basically, you're just subtracting by 90. Take that number minus 90 for all of them. Magical number is 90. You're basically subtracting 90 from every number that you see. Ready, set, go.
Miss, what if I do the back?
We're eventually going to do that tomorrow. So if you do today, I have the honors worksheet. So take this number minus 90.
You should make it your honor version.
We can't use.
I should.
Jane, are you done? Question? All you're doing is subtracting all of these numbers by 90. This minus 90. This minus 90. Minus 90. Minus 90.
Wait, so miss, we just have to do 23 minus 90?
Here, use a calculator.
No.
Wait, miss. Come here.
Brianna, worry about yourself. Okay, so what is our answer for number 1? I'm coming around. 45. What equation for number 2?
Oh wait.
X.
Plus X.
Now, Ruben, I wrote it like this. Does it make a difference?
No.
Nope.
It's still the same thing.
Still the same thing. So even if you wrote